Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the Solo 4 has enough battery and your source device is nearby. Plug in a charger if below 50%, then power on the headphones. Once on, press and hold the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. This tells you the Solo 4 is discoverable. Now open Bluetooth settings on your phone or computer and select Beat Solo 4. If prompted, accept pairing. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone. This first connection establishes the audio path and basic controls. Once paired, configure how you want the Solo 4 to respond. In the Beats app or system audio settings, map play/pause and track skip behaviors so button presses match your habits. Next, set the EQ. Choose balanced for clarity, bass boost for punch, or create a custom curve using the app sliders. This changes how music feels. If your model supports spatial audio or active noise cancellation, enable them and test with reference tracks. Make sure to test volume limits and confirm microphone routing for calls. Finish by updating firmware through the Beats app to ensure stability and feature parity. Updates can resolve intermittent dropouts. If you encounter problems, no sound, controls unresponsive, or pairing fails, perform a factory reset. Power off, press and hold power plus volume for about 10 seconds until LEDs change, then repair. Also verify your source device's codec settings. AAC or aptX can improve clarity. Finally, test with another device to isolate the issue. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.